Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get salmon snake sole. First, locate the appropriate fishing zones. These elusive creatures inhabit the shimmering waters of the Whispering Falls and the sunken grotto. Ensure your fishing rod is enchanted for higher rarity catches. Remember, patience is key when hunting for these aquatic beasts. Prepare for a challenging but rewarding endeavor to secure this valuable item. To effectively find salmon snakes, head to the Whispering Falls, located north of the Elderwood Forest, or the Sunken Grotto, accessible via the underwater cave system near the Crystal Shallows. These creatures are more active as the in-game day transitions to night, so plan your fishing trips accordingly. Using a lure of the deep will significantly boost your chances of encountering them, increasing your encounter rate by 25%, making your hunt more efficient. For the best results, equip a mithril fishing rod, which offers a substantial 15% increase in your overall catch rate. Pair this with glowworm bait, as it specifically attracts the larger, more mature salmon snakes, which have a higher chance of dropping the sole. Always aim to cast your line into the deepest parts of the water bodies. This is where the most elusive and valuable catches reside. Master these techniques for consistent success. To further maximize your chances, consider temporarily boosting your character's luck stat by 10 points through potions or gear. This directly impacts the drop rate of the salmon snake sole. Fishing with a party can also be highly beneficial, as you can cover more ground and share the rewards, making the grind less tedious. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.